Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning a powerful function that is Vlookup. What is Vlookup? How it works? We'll be seeing detail in this section. Here consider we have two worksheets. One is main where I have the actual data or where I will be actually working in or which has the more number of data, and one more which is having a sheet 3 where I'm just mentioning only two columns, which is kind of a master file or which is a file from where the data I'm taking in. So for example, in main I have products, say Katara, Montana and pesos, and here in sheet 3 I'll have only a product and its category. Say just for example, I have taken as main product, mid-range, lower range, etc. So I want this exact data to come in the last column as category. Say for example, here I want to import the category. Now I hope you are getting the idea. Here I have the main reference column. Here I want the data which I want to import from other Excel or in the same Excel sheet but in a different worksheet. So here let's say how the formula begin. I'll be typing here. I'll insert equal. Here you can see the formula. I'll show an easy one which you can use it for other function as well. Here is a drop down, just click on that, more functions. So you can see all the Excel formulas or all the Excel functions which is there in Excel will be listed here. So which one we are looking is VLOOKUP. First I'll enter V, then L, sorry I have to enter together VL. So you can see VLOOKUP. So for that I'll click on OK. You can see the formula has started. So in the formula it has four fields. First field is the lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but a reference column of the particular same sheet. For example, in this sheet, I have the reference that is product. I'll only select the first cell of that actual data in the same cell. Say for example, in this product is my reference. First data value, that is C2, is the first value of it. Then second one, I'll click here, table array, means it is asking which table data you want to take or import the data from. So I'll click on sheet 3, select two columns which the data reference is there. Here one thing we have to remember, that is the left side is the reference, left side is a reference column, the right side is the column, or it can be having n number of columns as well, but whatever the data which I want to take from this sheet has to be on the right side, the reference will be on the left side. So here I'll be selecting the two columns. Here I'll come to the next parameter, that is column index. So it is asking this how many columns are there on which you want to take the data. For example, in sheet 3 there are two columns. Two columns I have selected. I want the data of the second column. Say for example, if it has 5 columns and I want the data of the fifth column, so the number here it will be 5. So if at all I'm only selecting two columns, in this example we are selecting only two columns, so I'll be entering 2. So that is, I'm indicating Excel that I want the second column data to be coming into my main sheet. So I'll be entering 2. Then the range logic. In the range lookup, we are mentioning whether we want exact data to be matched or approx data to be matched. Even you can, whenever you are typing any VLOOKUP values, when you forgot like what is the parameter, here you can see the data. So as I explained, range lookup is nothing but a logical value to find the closest match in the first column sorted in ascending order, whether nothing but a sorted value, that is true is a closest match, false is exact match. So false, either you can type complete caps like FALSE false, or either you can enter 0 as well, even that it will be taking. So for as a beginning learning, we'll start to enter false only, then click. So I'll click on OK. You can see we started getting the value, that is main product. So I'll double click. You can see the value has came from the reference sheet, that is sheet 3. So what we did, we imported the data of sheet 3 into the main sheet itself. So what is the advantage we can say? So it is kind of a clubbed of both sheets data into the same singular sheet. Now let us see how it is different from Xlookup. So first and foremost, Vlookup. I'll press tab and you can see first it will be asking lookup value. I'll be selecting the lookup value, then comma, lookup array. So here I'll be selecting 2 columns and then I'll put comma, then the index value, that is 2 columns. I'll enter 2, then comma, then whether I want exact or approx, so I want exact, so I'll enter false and I'll close the bracket. Here you can see the lookup value is matching with the lookup value. Now Xlookup equals Xlookup, then I'll press tab, open bracket. So first and foremost, lookup value, so that is this, then comma, then I'll be saying lookup array. So from where I want the value, here you can see there is a difference, lookup array and return array. So lookup array is from where I am comparing. So this is the lookup array. So that is done. Next I will put comma. Now it's a return array. So return array is the value which we wanted. So I'll be selecting the column. It might be one column or I can select 2 columns. So here I'll be selecting 2 columns because I wanted 2 value data. Then comma, here if not valid. So Xlookup gave us a proper advantage whether we can enter a custom value in that. So here I'll be putting a custom value by putting a double inverted comma, that is value not found. Then I'll close inverted comma. Now it is asking the match value, so I'll put 0, that is exact match. Here I can close the bracket and end my formula. So here we can see it has taken the one array and the return array is 2. So here we can see it has returned 2 arrays. So if I want only a single return array, so I'll be putting Xlookup, lookup value, then the lookup array, then I'll be selecting only a return array, that is only one column, comma, custom statement or custom word, that is value is not found. I'll put double inverted comma, then the exact match, that is 0, close the bracket. Here you can see only one value is written. So above you can see it is 2 columns. So I'll just drag and drop. I'll show how the difference it is there between single and double. So see, it is matching the exact value. So for showing purpose, I'm deleting a value. You can see the value which is not matched, it is giving a if not match formula, and there it is coming value is not found. I hope this session gave you a fair idea about Xlookup and Vlookup. Thanks for watching.
If you liked the video, then share and subscribe. Detailed Excel course link is in the description.